May with Yield App, and this is Lucas, CIO, and I've got with us Andrew Lamb, who's head of structured products, and Curtis, who works with us, who runs structuring and product development of the structured products platform, and what is now a Yield App Pro. So welcome, Andrew, and welcome, Curtis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me just fix something here quickly, and then I will be right with you. Dear, oh dear, here we go. So Yield Pro. What can I say? It's exciting. It's the evolution of Yield App. We talked about it in the summer that we wanted to increase a whole bunch of new products or add new products to the platform. I think Andrew and Curtis have already met many of you, but Andrew, why don't you introduce yourself, and then Curtis, you can do the same.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Lucas. So we basically the founder of Trophy, which is a company that provide structured product solutions. So we basically ran into Lucas and his team I think beginning of the year. So I think we got great synergies. We got the products and they got a great community. So we decided to work together. So we become Yield Pro right now with our products, and obviously got a great community with Yield App. My background is from the traditional finance. I worked as an option trader for over 10 years in the bank, and we decided to start a platform that obviously, these products have been very popular in the traditional finance market, and obviously not much in the crypto market. So we want to bring these products to the crypto markets. Sure. So Curtis, you want to go ahead, introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Curtis. So very nice to meet you here. And same as Andrew, I came from a traditional finance background. I had over more than 10 years of structured product and derivative experience back in traditional finance. So previously, I worked in JP Morgan where I was a structured product specialist. And we started Trophy mainly because we thought, there's an opportunity in the crypto space where we can actually bring crypto, like a structured product to the crypto world and make it available to everyone. That's how we started Trophy. I'm very excited that Trophy got acquired by UApp so that we can, bring all these exciting products to UApp users. Yep. So looking forward to talking more with you. And very soon we'll be showing a demo of the UApp simulator, which is basically a simulated investment app for trying out our structured product.
Thanks, Curtis. So let me give you a bit of background on myself. As many of you know, I spent a majority of my career running structured products desks all over the world. I think what's really interesting about structured finance or structured products or structured investment products or alternative investment products or all these other names they're given is that they can be extremely bespoke to allow users or investors in these products to define their risk appetite and the payoff profile that they would like to invest in or put on. What does that mean? Well, you can have a bullish sentiment, a bearish sentiment, a sideways sentiment, an aggressively bullish sentiment, an aggressively bearish sentiment, and you can structure a product that achieves that outcome at the same time giving up other outcomes as well. So one of the most interesting things about structured products or the products themselves is where their names come from. Many names are quite interesting. Things like wedding cakes, Himalayas, Worsdorf kick-ins, buy low or cash, or things like this. But ultimately, the names come from the payoff profile as it looks like on a graph, and you can see when you draw out what your break even is and where your payoff comes out and where it doesn't. That the graph that you draw very much looks like the name of the product in most cases. To start with, we launched with 4 products. The dual currency product, which is a staple of currency investment products in high street banks all over the world. We did the the range accrual, which for people who are, believing the markets will stay within a certain range, they accrue yield that way. We have the shark fin, which is more of a bullish product, and on top of that, we have the target redemption, which is, you believe that a market's going to achieve X, and therefore you want to put on a view that allows you to achieve that. Andrew, do you want to talk a little bit about each of the different products?
Yeah, sure. Totally. I think, first of all, these products are such an important part of a portfolio, right? I mean, simply because it doesn't perform like, say, for example, you holding Bitcoin or ETH. So obviously you make money if the Bitcoin go higher, you lose money when the Bitcoin go low, right? These products offer you a chance to diversify from your portfolio. And obviously these products, the payout is going to be uncorrelated or even negative correlated with the underlying position that you're going to have. And that basically construct a portfolio that would enhance your risk adjusted return, right? I mean, just according to like a modern portfolio theory that like been around us for 80 years and still works to date. And you want to construct a portfolio that basically maximize your return while you minimize risk. How are you going to minimize risk?
Unless you talk about efficient frontier, Andrew, this conversation is not complete.
Yeah, totally. But obviously, with the structured products, it gives you the opportunity to be able to construct such a portfolio, right? So, say if you want to invest in a dual currency, you got to buy low and sell high dual currency products. So if you hold Bitcoin, for example, say if you hold 10 Bitcoins, right? You enter into a sell high dual currency product for 2 Bitcoins, for example. So if the spot finishes above a certain strike that you choose, say 30,000, your 2 Bitcoin will be converted into USDC or USDT. And so how does it work in a portfolio, right? So it basically gives you an opportunity to kind of earn high yield for that 2 Bitcoin if the spot stays below 30,000, right? So in the way that your payout of your whole portfolio is more balanced than you just simply hold Bitcoin, right? So it gives you an opportunity for that, for you to be able to do that. Say Lucas already mentioned, we got other products like a range product that obviously if spot stays in the range, then you get the maximum payout. So it is obviously not correlated with your underlying positions, and you can actually construct such payoff, and we'll be able to provide you like a high return if the spot doesn't do anything, while when you're just holding Bitcoin or Ethereum, it doesn't provide you such an opportunity. So we're excited to bring these products, to the platform for our community. So Lucas, you got anything to add? What do you think about these structured products?
I do. I think essentially we've provided or made available the staples of structured products. Obviously, you can get more and more complicated. You can add what we call correlation products to them, where you bring in multiple coins to the situation. But initially, the starting point of Yield Pro is to provide this sort of building blocks of more complex products beyond this. We do have a demo, and we're going to show that. So I think, Curtis, are you going to run with the demo and bring that up and show the demo product that allows you to sort of play with the different payoffs, etc., and build some sort of trial portfolios to see how you would have done?
Yeah, that's right, Lucas. Right. So I hope you have already downloaded the Yield Pro Simulator app before the call. If not, this is already available on both iOS and Android. And you can simply sign up for an account. For security reason, this is a new account which is different from your Yield Apps account, but you just have to verify your email. There's no KYC required for this simulator app. So once you sign into the app, you'll see your wallet balance. I wish I have this much, but this is actually simulated balance. So for every new user, they will get some simulated balance with 100K USDC, 1 Bitcoin, 15 ETH to start with. So with all this simulated money, you can actually try the different structured product here. Like Andrew and Lucas has mentioned, we offer 4 different structured product: dual currency, buy low and sell high, shark fin, target and range. So let's take an example to actually subscribe to a buy low dual currency. On this page, you can select the crypto asset that you don't mind buying. So that would be the link asset, which is either BTC or ETH. And now you can select your investment asset, which means that the stable coin that you're holding, it can be in USDC or USDT. So let's say I do not mind buying BTC lower. Now I press next. Then on this second page, you can select your desired maturity date from the list here. Obviously, the longer the maturity date, the longer you can lock this APR for. So for example, if I choose like 9 days, then I can lock this APR for 9 days. This is annualized return. And within 9 days, you can actually select different sell level. So for example, I'm comfortable with this 27,000 level, then I can select an investment amount, let's say $100 USDC, and press next. Then there's a summary of the terms, and also review the earning scenario and maturity. Now I just need to click this terms and condition and subscribe. And that's it. We have subscribed to a dual currency. Now, in this icon, you'll be able to see the subscription that you have done. And if you click here, you'll be able to see all the details here. Now, after you have subscribed, this subscription is going to last for 9 days, so until the 3rd of May. And on maturity day at around 8:15 a.m. UTC time, you will see another redemption transaction here in this screen. At the same time, you will also receive a push notification and email for that. So depending on the crypto price and maturity, you will either receive back the cryptocurrency like BTC or USDC. And the amount will automatically be credited back to your account. So by using this simulated app, you can kind of get familiarized with all these different type of structured product without taking actual market risk. Back to you, Lucas.
Thanks, Curtis. So that's what we've been sort of working on behind the scenes. So as Curtis mentioned, it's available both in iOS and Android. And have a play. As you say, you've got no risk. It's just have a an education tool to see how you would have done. It's a bit like sort of fantasy football or things like that, and you can just play and see how you start to learn. Because as we grow, we can obviously build more products and build more payoffs types. And obviously, the more comfortable you are as we go along, the more comfortable you are with the different types of payoffs we'll create. So I'm going to move now to Q&A. Any questions from anybody?
I saw the question saying, is USDT available right now? Yes, it is available for the dual currency. For now, we were going to extend it to other products soon. So other products remains USDC only, but USDT is available for dual currency, both buy low and sell high.
Any more questions? Nope, I don't see any more questions. What about from the other people who are in private chat? Do anything from them? Any questions more broadly about Yield App whilst you have me? Okay. Alrighty then. Well, thank you very much for attending. And here's a question. What user level did you guys target for these structured products? And is it just a demo or a live product? Well, we have a live product, but this app, the demo is a demo is just for play. There is a live product as well, which you can also download, but we recommend people understand the products before they start to play with the live version. And what user level did you guys target for these structured products? To be honest, we didn't really think about the user level. It was more the demand from our users overall. And at YieldApp, we generally like to make sure that if we do something, it's available to all our clients. Initially, we thought, okay, we'll make this available to sophisticated clients, etc., as part of the YieldApp Digital Wealth. But then we started to see demand from some of our other clients who wanted to say, I want to do dual currency, because obviously that is a well-known product. And so what we've been trying to work on is building the education suite behind the scenes, like this demo app, etc., so that all users could get comfortable with these products. Without taking the market risk and understanding exactly the risk they were taking. For euro, there's a question. I mean, the biggest problem we have with euro and dollars is actually trading the basis between euro and dollar. The products are denominated in US dollars for the moment. Obviously, adding euro creates a problem from a interest rate parity perspective on the product. Trying to trade basis in crypto is what I've discovered is nearly impossible. So, Garrett, I'm sorry, I don't know when euro will be happen. I've been trying to work out how to hedge the basis part of euro dollar in crypto for quite a while, and I haven't gotten answers yet. Thanks.
Yeah, we also got a question asking when will YieldPro be integrated into YieldApp. So we are working hard on that, and for the next coming month, we'll be integrating all this structured product into the YieldApp main app, and it will be available in the web page, iOS and Android.
Okay. And yeah, the no plans to remove old strategies or old products from YieldApp. It's more kind of the evolution of product if people want high yield or more risk. And when Haven 1 comes, which is still quite a way off, we haven't got that far, I guess. I mean, Haven 1 is a layer 1 blockchain. The Haven 1 coin or token will be, integral to the whole overall yield ecosystem. And then I guess we take it from there. Generic, what is the next THU? I'm not sure what THU means. Anyone? Nordo? Any idea? Can you expand on your question? No. Okay. I don't know what is the next then, Nordo. I can't. We haven't gone out and actively targeted any regions. I mean, a lot of what we're doing for a lot is mainly for existing clients, and they get to sort of play, and we evolve the platform. A lot of the things that we're offering to our clients is just really the evolution of where we want to take YieldApp overall. There's no real targeting. There's different products, especially if you're European, you have a preference for certain type of products. In Asia, you have a preference for other type of products, things like accumulators, etc. So we'll see where the demand comes from. Ultimately, demand is what drives our development. But I think that is all the questions. So if there's no more, I will call it a day. Thank you guys for your time. And hopefully we see you downloading the demo app.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
Thanks everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.